Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. One of the things we do in giving the public education and information is we help the public understand that things that they may think are intuitive, not how the law works. In other words, and we see so many things like this. The law is like a separate world with its own language and its own customs and its own traditions, okay? What me and you may think as lay people that, oh, this is how it works because that's what we saw on TV or that's what we read somewhere on the internet, or this or that, may not be consistent with how it truly works in the real legal landscape here in Michigan. I'm going to give an example. We've been asked that my ex-wife has a new husband. He makes a lot of money. Does that reduce the amount of child support that I'm going to have to pay? Well, it's a logical question from this standpoint. Number one, you have a child. The child's being raised by the ex and a new husband. They have a household. There's a lot of money in the household, which means the child's needs, theoretically, are being taken care of in grand style. Should that mean that the amount of money that you pay for child support should be reduced? That is to say, it should be different than the amount of money you were paying when your ex was struggling in some small crappy apartment, barely able to pay the rent. So intuitively, might say, well, yeah. I mean, obviously, if there's money, if this is for the child and the child's needs are being taken care of, well, my obligation should be less. Wrong. Okay? The bottom line is like this. This is your child. You have a duty to raise your child. No one else outside of that relationship has a duty to raise your child. Step-parent is not responsible for that. You know what a step-parent is? Step-parent should be a good host. That's what a step-parent should be. But the step-parent isn't obligated to educate your kid, to clothe your kid, to take care of your kid. That's what your child support is for. And you know what? You shouldn't even want that other person stepping in and picking up the slack where you left off. That's not how it should be. If you're paying $1,000 a month for your child, based on your income and based on the wife's income, it doesn't matter that she married some guy and he has a nice house or whatever. None of that is a function of your obligation. Your obligation is based on your income and your overnights. You want to pay less because she remarried? Have the child come stay with you more. Then you'll pay less. Do those things and you'll pay less. But just the fact that she's at this time has somebody and he's got a place and therefore her support is easier, that in and of itself is not a reason to impact your child support for your kid. If you have any questions about that, reach out. And of course, we'll be glad to help you out.